Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon. In this session, we are going to see how to understand the database quickly. Means, suppose this is the database, correct? HIMS is the database and it having multiple tables like we can say 100 table or 50 tables, and then go to that tables and just first of all select the top 1000 records from it. So you will get the some data from it, right? But how you will know this column is connected to which table, then again how that particular service ID it mean, or visit ID is connected to which table, and from this added date time you will get easy information from that, means when this record is added, status. But some of the service ID is connected to which table, so how you will get that information, and what are the hierarchy level of the particular tables in the database? So let's start. Using this query, you can identify what are the different levels in the database. Means there are, suppose there are some tables and having the two or three levels, it is also fine because there is a relation in between these tables. And first of all, what we have to do, I will explain you one by one. There are two to three queries in it, and first of all I am dropping the temp tables. Here is the query, means with the help of this query we are dynamically insert the data into the temp table. Means suppose I'm commenting it, and what you are getting means here you will get the information about what are the tables are available in the database. And means here is the depend object, means suppose let's see admission is the table, correct? And clinical notes, bill, charge or discharge, they are having the admission ID, means these are the foreign key tables and this is the primary key table, correct? Means I am retrieving the information, means primary key foreign key tables. So I am inserting this information into the temp table, got it? And I'm simultaneously I am what I am doing here, means I have to retrieve the tables which are no any dependency on others. Means suppose here you can see there is a gender, means this is the parent table, means there is a parent table and they are not dependent on other. So means they are the zero level tables. First of all, unit means unit is the parent one, means unit id is present in other tables but unit id is at the zero level or top level. So they are not dependent on each other, they are not dependent on other tables. So I am uh, means inserting this information into the not dependent temp table, correct? And after that, yeah, these are the some select query, means I'm just selecting, yeah, we are having the data or not. So there is a 40 plus 12, 52 records I'm getting. Okay. And this is the cte query, or means common table expression, means with for recursion we are using the cte. And means there is a small data we have to store, then also we can use the cte, means two uses of the cte. And right now we are using here for the recursion point of view, means here is the small example. There is a table, there are 12 tables, correct? Means these are the zero level. We are doing the union all with recursive query, means suppose whatever that particular result set, means one by one that iterate and we will get the results. So let's say I am using here, instead of the group by clause, select the star from whatever that trigger city. Yes, actually I will go through the city temp table variable in the upcoming session separately, means what is the purpose and where to use it, correct? And yeah, you will get 121 rows here. And here you could see there is a, let's say I am giving you the example, which one I think nationality, and this is the best example for you, because yeah, miss suppose here is the hierarchy, like let's say, and here you could see there is a uh, different hierarchy as well. But for right now, I'm going towards the bill table. Bill is table means first of all nationality, then country, then state, city, patient, and admission, and then bill. Yeah, this is the hierarchy. Like the here is also one hierarchy means suppose nationality, state, nationality, country, state, city, and city ID is present in the doctor. Yeah, like this. Correct. So this is the table level. We are calculating that table level as well. Means there is a count. We are adding the level one by one. Got it? Right now I am commenting it. So at the last you have to execute the city query. Correct? And so you will get the list of table at here. Means there is a hierarchy level as well. Means these are the tables. Means having the zero level, and some of the tables country, room, service, correct, city. So these are the some levels, 1 2 3 4 5 6. First of all, how what I am doing here means suppose there is a city, correct. So go to the database diagram, add the city table, then after that which table? City table is state, correct. Second, add table state. Yes. And state, then country. I know actually what is the relation. That's why I am directly adding them. Country and then nationality. Yeah, yeah, nationality, correct. So this is the relation. Means nationality is connected to the country, country is related to the state, and state is related to the city. So one by one, select the data from the table. So you will get the functional understanding of the particular table. Correct. Select star from unit. Then yeah, here you can understand what is the name of unit and how that table is available. Means actually this table having the primary key is the unit ID, and where it is reflects or where it is used in other tables. So means select the table and press Alt F1, Alt plus F1. So this information you will get. Means what are the columns of it, what is the size, length, then data type, and this is the yeah, below is the information of means what are the constraints on it, and the table is referenced by which tables. So you will get the information. Means there is a admission table, there is a unit ID is used, then visit table, unit ID is used. So uh, in which table this unit table is referenced, and so you got this information. And constraints means what are the different types of constraints are applied on this table. So you will get that list, primary key of the table, then identity is available or not. So you will get complete information. Yeah, means suppose anyone update that particular table, then that is the updated date time also. Means with the help of select star from informations, select star from, this is the schema, information schema dot tables. So you will get complete list of tables in the database. and it contains the views as well as table list, but you have to filter where table type is equal to base table, correct? And yes, means all the columns, star means all the columns, and where means table type is equal to base tables. What are the tables are in the database, those are the listed here. At the end, conclusion is means how we can easily understand the database. First of all, identify the hierarchy level of the table. Means there are n number of tables, n means there is 50 or 100 tables. So first of all, you have to identify their hierarchy. Chai- And second thing, there is a database diagram. So with the help of that, you will know the relationship in between these tables. And there is a this query is available on my blog. First of all, I will show you that on SQL Server is the blog, means learn SQL with sagar.blogspot.com. And yeah, how to understand database, but how to go there, SQL, go on SQL Server topics, and here how to understand the database SQL queries. So yeah, here is the query is written at here. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like it, please share it and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.